Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Sweet Kawaii, and this is her monthly, one of her monthly kits. She offers two, and she offers them in different sizes. So this one, if I am not mistaken, is the tiny size, or maybe it's called teeny. And I love the little envelopes, and they are reusable, so reduce, recycle, reuse. I do like to use them. And I even use these bags on things. I just love them. And this one always has a really cute sticker. It says, "Thank you for supporting small business," and it has all of her little critters here. And if you guys know me, you know I love me some critters. So I try to open this carefully, and then I usually cut out the little critters and use them on something. Not the best cutting out job, but or tearing off job, but it'll do. See, here's another one I have over here. That one was way better, but you know. Okay, so this is the Sweet Kawaii Celebrate the Day Wacky Holidays June 2018. So this is the June itty bitty, that's what she calls them. And you get 7 sheets, and I believe this is $12 a month. Oops. And so it comes with this really cute sticker. And she always delivers them 2 months in advance, which I think is perfect. So here's this sticker, which is really cute. And then here is this one. So you get wacky holidays for June, like Black Bear Day, Rotisserie Chicken Day, Egg Day, Splurge Day, Chocolate Eclair Day, Vanilla Milkshake Day, Martini Day, Paul Bunyan Day, Social Media Day. So there's not a day for every day. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yes, there is. I lied. There's a day for every day. How about that? So pretty funny. Best Friends Day. Aw. Donut Day. Just super cute. So that's fun. And then, oh my goodness, look at how bright these are. This is fun for summertime. Summertime. So June. Sun's out, bun's out, and he has his little hiney. Flip-flop state of mind, love and sun, why are you all up in my grill, good times ahead, fun in the sun, say yes to new adventures, and summer dreams. Oh, I love it. And little check lists, and here are some more boxes, and these say hello weekend, and TV, and paydays. So there is enough to plan your whole month, which is fabulous. Not today, very important chores, don't forget, not today, rescheduled, canceled, some, I don't know if that's a mortgage, oh yeah, it probably is. And then here's some habit trackers, and her pages are all vinyl, so you do have to be careful about writing on them. And then here are all of the days of the week and the dates, which are fabulous, and payday, laundry, and you know, just different payments that you might need to make, coffees, groceries, sleep in, cleaning, birthdays, just super cute. Of course, I am totally drawn to the critter. And then this is, excuse me, this is little different stripes of washi. So cute. And it says June bottom cover. So how neat is that? And they're all kiss cut for you, so you can just tear them off the page. Of course, I'm not doing a very good job, but you can just tear them easily off the page. They stick super nicely, and she does just a wonderful job. So she gives you 7 pages, but then this is an extra. So there's really 8 pages, and this. So it's a really good deal, I think. I really like it. I have fun using it. And, well, I will have fun using it. Obviously, I haven't used it yet. So, yeah, there you go. So, Sweet Kawaii. Check her out. She usually takes new subscriptions every month, and I really enjoy her, so I hope you will too. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.